is Jen Lefforge. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Today is going to be a special video. This is my third month on YouTube, and every month on that anniversary, I've been trying to do a video that is just for creators. So if you are a YouTube creator, if you aspire to be a YouTube creator, or even if you're just curious about the behind the scenes process, that I think you'll like what I have to say, so stick around. If not, I have plenty of other great videos about Disney and travel and running, and I hope you will stick around, subscribe, like, comment, do all the things that I love it for everybody to do, just to kind of get involved and learn more about me and what I'm doing. Now, this is gonna be a one-take vlog. I kind of promised that when I did these, they would be as authentic as humanly possible, no editing allowed, and I just noticed that my laptop is open, so I don't know, maybe that's better lighting with my laptop open. I don't know if that made a difference or not. But what I want to talk about today is kind of what I've learned in the last 30 days, how my numbers have increased, and what I feel like are my biggest reasons for why the numbers have increased so much. So this will be especially helpful to you, I think, if you're kind of frustrated with your numbers, if you're just starting out and you're kind of wondering, you know, what can I expect, and what would kind of be good for you to increase your visibility, and so if you're networking and things like that. So I think we will start with my numbers because, I mean, I guess let's just get that out of the way right away. When I filmed my month 2 video, and I'll put a link to that because you can actually watch month 1, I was super excited because I was almost to 30 subscribers, and I was like, yay! I actually did a giveaway at 30 subscribers, which was super fun for me, by the way. That is one of my tips. Do giveaways. They are not only great for your subscribers, they are super fun. I can't tell you how much fun it is to give stuff away to people. And my winner from this last giveaway I did, she sent me the sweetest note, y'all, just telling me what my videos had meant and all of that kind of stuff. So that was really, really fun. So update on numbers. Let's just dive right into that. Okay, so month 2, I was super excited because I was at 210 viewers. So month 1, I was at 30 at the end of month 1. I was at 210 at the end of month 2. Now I'm at 891, which I don't want to say I have no idea why, because I kind of do. Like, I've done some things to help myself, and I have tried to put out content that people really want, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about a tool I've used to make that happen. But I feel like it's like that book Outliers. Like, here's all the things that you can do, and then here's this perfect storm of things that just come together. So no idea, but we're just going to say we're going to be grateful. And I thought it would take me a full year to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, and no, evidently it's not going to take that long. So although every time the numbers go up, I'm like, that's probably it. That's probably all the people that exist in the world that want to watch my content. So when I do month 4, I may be like, and now we're at 891 subscribers, or maybe it will have gone down. I don't know. I never want to take those numbers for granted though. So let's talk about minutes. I was very concerned about minutes, that I would never reach that 4,000 hours for monetization. And right now we're sitting at about 5,200 hours, which I have nothing to say but thank you for that. And then views, I was at 8,000 views 30 days ago, and now I'm at over 50,000 views. So things are really hopping along. Yes, I'm feeling a little bit of pressure. Like, can I keep up this momentum? Can I still keep putting videos up every 2 to 3 days? I have no idea. So whatever happens next, we'll see. But I have been super grateful for my journey up until this point. So the other number that I'm still really proud of is the average amount of time someone watches my videos. That has stayed right around, well, actually it's gone up. It was right around 6 minutes a month ago, and now it's almost at 7 minutes. It's at, I think, 6 minutes and 53 seconds. So that makes me happy because, as I said, that means people are watching my content, and then they're actually watching a lot of it, which just as a creator makes me super happy. So really happy about that. I want to talk really quickly about thumbnails. I mentioned that last time. That has continued to be huge. Yesterday I watched a tutorial that was a live video that TubeBuddy did, and they do those quite often. So if you're not following TubeBuddy make sure you subscribe to that channel because it's really just great. It's just other creators, although it's a lot of gaming creators and a lot of really young people. So I'm not really young, but that's okay. I learned a ton. But they were talking about going back when you have older content that it maybe isn't getting as many views and redoing your thumbnails. So I did that on a few older videos, and they immediately, like when I woke up this morning, had an additional like 100 views than they had before. And these were kind of dog videos that really weren't getting viewed at all. So there really is something to that, making sure your thumbnails are quality. I use Canva, and then there's, so I'm trying to, again, with branding, which is what the whole TubeBuddy Live was about yesterday, I'm trying to come up with like a consistent look to my thumbnails. So if you go through my channel and you look at my thumbnails, I'm starting to, I feel like a kind of a style is starting to emerge. So I'm continuing to work on that. But again, my giveaway was fantastic. Definitely consider doing giveaways. I make it as easy for yourself as possible. My last giveaway was super complicated. Like I had them subscribe to this and comment this and do this. And then when I went to pick the winner, I was like, okay, this is, I have a huge sense of integrity about giveaways that I do it exactly like I say I'm gonna do it. So it took me like half a day to get all the names together and give people multiple entries and everything. So anyway, next time I'm gonna streamline that a lot more than I did this time. So the other things I learned this month were all about kind of how I like to work. I had kept watching all these videos that would tell me to film in bulk and edit in bulk. And although I appreciate the efficiency of that, and I did a lot of strategic planning in my professional life, so I completely get that from an efficiency standpoint, but it turns out I don't really like that. Like I like to film, edit, publish, and do that all in one fell swoop. Also, one day I filmed like 3 videos in one day, and it felt kind of inauthentic to me. It didn't feel fresh. That is totally me, but I just want to give you permission. Just because everybody says this is the way to do it, if that doesn't feed you creatively, don't do it that way. Do it the way that works for you and kind of works best with your individual style. So that was another lesson learned this month. Okay, now I want to talk about kind of what I credit my success to. Number one, I do feel like I'm putting out quality content. So if your content isn't good, the next thing I'm going to say is not going to matter. So get an education, make sure that your content is good. I still have some improvements I can make, and I know that. And in fact, if you have any improvements as you watch my stuff, I would love to get comments on that. I'm really trying to improve, especially with some of my technology and video capability and things like that. So that's, you know, at this point, I'm not making any money, so I don't really want to spend a ton of money, but I know that there's kind of there's a threshold there. So anyway, would love your thoughts on that. But the other big reason for my success has been TubeBuddy. I went ahead and became an affiliate with them. I am going to put the link below. I am not gonna make any qualms about the fact that I will get a percentage of what you are gonna pay them monthly if you sign up using that link. That is how strongly I believe in this product. So having never been on YouTube before, I loved their tag tools, which you go in and you put what you're thinking of targeting, and it actually comes up and tells you, yeah, that's a great thing for you to target because the search for that is high, but there's not that much competition. Or it tells you, yeah, don't even bother because there are so many great quality videos out there, you will never rank. That is how I decided to do a Disney Vacation Club video. That one video has had 35,000 views. It's just taken off, and I'm actually, well, at least I was, you never know, right? But I was #1 in the search rankings for Disney Vacation Club, which blows my mind. But the only reason I ever did those videos in the first place is because I was messing around on the tag tools, and it came up as if that would be a great thing to target. Plus, it's something I'm really passionate about, so that helped as well. Other things that I use on there all the time, their thumbnail creator is really helpful. Just the format of it is really easy for me to pull over from Canva. You can publish directly to Facebook from there. I told you about the live stream. That's actually available to anybody, even if you're not subscribed. But it gives me a scorecard. It gave me a portal to sign up for Social Blue Book, which kind of told me what my videos are worth. It is the training wheels for your YouTube channel. If you are new, you have to sign up. I mean, I really do credit the success that I've had to my subscription with TubeBuddy. I don't know how else to say it. So if you've known me for a while, you know I don't tout a bunch of different things, but this I really do believe in. And for those of you that reach out to me and you're like, you know, I'm really struggling, my numbers aren't where they want to be, what can I do? Join TubeBuddy. I think they have a 30-day free trial. You'll have to go on there and check, but just try it. And if you don't like it, there's no obligation on your part, but give it 30 days and see if you don't see your numbers increase. I think that you will. If you have a bad experience, I want you to tell me that too, but my experience has been nothing but amazing. So please use the link below if you decide you want to sign up. I would really appreciate that. Lastly, I want to talk about, as you start to branch out and think about monetizing your channel, I'm at the place where I'm not quite ready to do that yet, although I have been using like Amazon affiliates. And by the way, I made $4 yesterday, y'all. $4, that's right, I know. But it's $4 more than I had the day before, so that's not a terrible thing. There are lots of different ways to monetize your channel that are not just ads. One of my big takeaways from yesterday's TubeBuddy, especially now as I'm getting to that 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, is that may be a very small piece of your revenue stream. And so I'm really looking at other ways to make that happen, Amazon affiliate, all that. Stay organic and authentic. When I was primarily a blogger, that was a really big deal for me, is that I wasn't asking my viewers or my readers to buy anything that I didn't personally believe in. So it has to be authentic or you're really gonna turn people off. So that's my thought on that. Okay. Please put your link, if you're a YouTuber, that's my dog, but I promised you one take, right? Please put a link below if you're a YouTuber. I will go check out your stuff. If I like it, I would love to encourage and support you in any way that I can. Any questions, comments, I would love for this to be a place where we can actually have discussion below, especially if you're like me and you're kind of new and you're trying to figure it all out. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy creating, and I will see you guys next month, if not sooner. Please check out my other videos as well. Bye.